Okay, this video is assuming that you have watched the end behavior video and also the behavior at the x-intercept. So we're going to put those two ideas together to help us graph a polynomial function here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to establish the degree. Okay, so the degree of the x is 1, then we have x plus 3 squared plus x minus 5 to the third. So we're going to add up all those degrees, and that's going to be a 6. So this is even, and because of the negative sign in front, that means we're going to be reflected down. So my end behavior is both branches going down. I'm going to set up my table for my x-intercepts, and I'm going to do my behavior. Okay, so 0, that's the x, has first power, so we're going to cross. Negative 3, it's a bounce because the degree is 2, and at 5, the degree is 3, so that's odd, so we're going to cross. Okay? And the y-intercept in this case is 0, 0. A nice one. Okay? So I'll draw in my x-intercepts, and then I know what my end behavior is. So I know that both branches are going to be shooting down like this. I know I bounce at negative 3. I know I cross at 0, and I know I cross at 5. Okay? And then if you plot this in your graphing calculator, it may look a little bit different. It may look similar. We could make it a little bit more accurate, but then it gets really tedious. So we're just looking for this, kind of the general shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, let's do one more. Look at f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 9x plus 18. And oh wait, I don't know what the roots are. I'm going to have to factor it. So GCF of the first two terms is an x squared. Factor that out. We have left an x minus 2. And GCF of the second two terms is a minus 9. What's left? X minus 2. So we have x minus 2 times x squared minus 9. And you're already ahead of me. And you think that x squared minus 9 is a difference of squares, which factors in x minus 3 and x plus 3. This is a third degree polynomial, so it's odd. The a is positive 1, so it's going to start low and end high for its end behavior. All of the roots are to the first power, so we're going to cross at 2, 3, and negative 3. Okay, and we'll just put those in, and I start low. And I went ahead and found what the y-intercept is. Jeremy is very good at finding the y-intercept. It's just where the x is equal to 0. So all that stuff's equal to 0, and you're just left with the 18. So I don't know how high I go, at least on the y-axis at that particular place. Okay. So we start low and end high, and we cross at all our intercepts.